Introduction to Fragrance Oils and Essential Oils. Welcome, fragrant adventurers. In the previous lessons, we explored the world of wicks and the science behind a perfect candle burn. Now, we embark on a delightful journey into the realm of fragrance, the heart and soul of a truly captivating candle. This lesson unveils the wonders of fragrance oils and essential oils, equipping you to create candles that not only illuminate but also tantalize the senses. A universe of scents, fragrance oils versus essential oils. The world of fragrance offers a vast array of options to transform your candles into aromatic masterpieces. Here's a breakdown of the two most common choices. Fragrance oils. A synthetic symphony. Fragrance oils are synthetically created aromatic compounds, offering a virtually limitless spectrum of scents. From the fresh aroma of citrus to the comforting warmth of vanilla, fragrance oils provide immense creative freedom for your candle creations. Benefits: affordability, vast range of scents, consistent fragrance intensity from batch to batch. Drawbacks: may not appeal to those seeking natural ingredients. Some fragrance oils can have strong scents that may overwhelm or trigger sensitivities. Essential oils. Nature's essence captured, derived from plant materials like flowers, leaves, or fruits, essential oils offer a more subtle and therapeutic fragrance experience. They capture the very essence of a plant, offering a unique and complex aromatic profile. Benefits: natural, often possess therapeutic properties. Some may offer additional benefits like relaxation or stress relief. Drawbacks: more expensive than fragrance oils, limited scent variety. Some essential oils have a lower flash point, the temperature at which they ignite, requiring careful handling. Choosing the right fragrance, a personal journey. Selecting the perfect fragrance is a personal choice. Consider the mood you want to create with your candle. Do you envision a calming and relaxing atmosphere? Look for essential oils like lavender or chamomile. Perhaps you desire an invigorating and energizing experience? Citrus or peppermint essential oils might be a perfect fit. Remember, fragrance oils offer a virtually limitless variety, allowing you to explore specific scents or create unique fragrance blends. Safety first, essential oil handling practices. While essential oils offer a natural approach to fragrance, they require careful handling. Here are some safety precautions to follow. Always wear gloves. Essential oils can irritate the skin, so wear gloves when handling them to avoid any adverse reactions. Work in a well-ventilated area. Ensure good ventilation in your workspace to avoid inhaling concentrated essential oil fumes. Follow manufacturer's instructions. Different essential oils have varying properties and flash points. Always read and follow the specific handling and usage instructions provided by the manufacturer. Less is more. Start with a small amount of essential oil and gradually add more until you achieve the desired fragrance intensity. Remember, essential oils are potent, and a little goes a long way. Fragrance oil considerations, flash point and usage rates. Fragrance oils generally have a higher flash point compared to essential oils, making them less susceptible to ignition. However, it's still important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for safe handling. Fragrance oil usage rates can vary depending on the specific oil and the desired scent throw of your candle. Many fragrance oil suppliers provide recommended usage rates for candle making. The final word: explore and experiment. The world of fragrance awaits your exploration. Whether you choose the vibrant world of fragrance oils or the natural allure of essential oils, remember to prioritize safety and experiment responsibly. As you create your fragrant masterpieces, keep a record of your fragrance choices and their effects. This will help you refine your candle making skills and craft truly captivating olfactory experiences. This concludes Lesson 3, Introduction to Fragrance Oils and Essential Oils. In the next lesson, we'll delve deeper into safe candle making practices, ensuring your fragrant creations burn beautifully and safely.